Ikone to okile Tom Ojienda koro Olando Ayanga Mare biro laro kom senet ma Kisumu kochopo 2022. Ngire Professor Ojienda, ngire kata Professor Ojienda bende koro osebedo ka siro dongruok mopogore opogore koriwo tuke mag rowere to kod chenro mamoko bende koro nolando mano Ayanga. Esenyo bende koro yande nicha koro lose skul primary ma Ngire Kisumu East. Owacho ni koro otimo mano mondo mi one ni dongruok obiro medore e kaunti ma Kisumu. Bende notiyo kod thuolono mar jiwo jopiny mondo koro bi owuog oko okawe ombulu kendo moko bende koro okawo pande chenro ma nyaka gie sani koro pod dhi nyime ma bende koro profesa wacho ni en gino ma kotigo makere to jopiny biro bedo ka nigi kura kochopo higa manyien.
School that was not as good as this school. I went to a school called Loremo Primary School in Nyakach, and from there we excelled and went to the second level. And I did my university at the University of Nairobi, later went to London for my master's, South Africa for my PhD, and all those things. So I want to encourage you that in spite of where you start from, whether you start from Ngire Primary School or any primary school, you can study up to the level of PhD. Your future is in your hands. You determine what you become as long as you listen to your teachers, as long as you work hard, as long as you aspire, as long as you know that you want to be the best of your best. Parents, encourage teachers anytime you can. Encourage teachers, give them incentives to bring up your children. Our children spend 80% of their time in school at this age. These are the parents that they know. And if the teacher says that this is the way to do it, you cannot change those students, those pupils. These learners can only do what they are told to do from school. So let us work with our teachers. In 2022, next year, I will seek your vote to represent you at the Senate in Kisumu for reasons that the Senate needs proper representation for this county, that the Senate is the instrument through which devolved funds are secured, that the Senate is where law that affects all the functions that are undertaken in this county is made. I speak because I know I have the capacity to represent you. And going forward, I want to ask you, I want to plead with you, to give me your support going forward. How many of you will support